I can't find no trees down nowhere. No matter what direction I look, I don't see no transformers causing any fires anywhere. But here it is, 10 hours later, we still ain't got power. I'm just looking at all different directions up here. Different directions the power comes from. I know for sure. There's no fires anywhere. We don't have power though. So I don't know. There's no power. There's no fires. There's also no power up here. So the central part of Gatlinburg is without power. Unless you get battery backups, like I do. Keep your equipment running.